As Jamaica is set to become a republic, Andrew Holness wants a ceremonial president, and I want no part of it. Why? Because a ceremonial president is just a rubber stamp, a powerless figurehead who does whatever the prime minister says. That's not real change. That's just swapping out the British monarch for another puppet of the government. A ceremonial president has no real authority. They perform formal duties, like signing bills into law and making official appointments, but only based on what the prime minister advises. In other words, the same system we have now with the governor general would continue, just under a different name. Meanwhile, the real power stays in the hands of the prime minister. Look at Barbados and Trinidad. They're republics, but they have an executive president, a leader with real authority to make independent decisions. If we're cutting ties with the monarchy, shouldn't we actually be giving the head of state power to act in the interest of the people? What's the point of becoming a republic if the person leading the country is still under the thumb of the prime minister? And here's the biggest problem: corruption. Right now, the Governor General appoints members of the Integrity Commission after consulting both the Prime Minister and the opposition leader. If we install a ceremonial president, what happens to that process? If the head of state is just another puppet, we can expect politically motivated appointments, and before long, corruption will be in full blast with no one to stop it. Jamaica is at a turning point. We have a chance to do this right, to move forward as a strong, independent republic. But if we settle for a ceremonial president, we're just putting a new face on the same old system. That's not progress. That's a scam.